guys, if you would like to fix your TikTok shadow ban, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, in order to lift a shadow ban, you have to stop posting for a few days. If you have made any mistake regarding your TikTok, it will pause your activity for a couple of days. So you have to be patient and wait for that shadow ban to lift and stop posting for a couple of days. You can also see all the community guidelines by TikTok meanwhile, and make sure that you do not make the same mistakes again. Now, if this issue persists, here are some couple things that you can try. Head over to your TikTok application where you have been shadow banned, tap on 3 bar icon, settings and privacy. Scroll all the way below, tap on report a problem. Here tap on account and profile, tap profile page, tap on other, then need more help. And then here type in that even though you have been waiting for a long time, the shadow ban has not yet been lifted, and just tell them you will not be making same mistake again. If it happened unknowingly, you can tell them that as well. Likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix a problem.